Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve or improve Google Chrome's download speed if it's acting very slow. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and in search field you just need to search for Chrome colon double slash flags flags, press enter. And now in the search flags you just need to search for parallel downloading. Click on this drop down and SAC enabled, and now SAC relaunch. Once the Chrome relaunches, you just need to click on this three dot icon and SAC settings. In search settings you just need to search for continue running background. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You just need to SAC this to disable, and now close it off here. Now go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select as guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type ipconfig space slash flus DNS, press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you just need to type netskites space winsock space reset, press enter. Successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can able to see that Chrome download speed has been increased. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.